All right. So let's see. A fraction x is formed such that x is 1 by n and n is any natural number between 1 to 100. Find the probability that x will form a recurring decimal. Probability is nothing but the ratio of, or basically it's a fraction of favorable outcomes to all possible outcomes. So now you need to find out what are the favorable outcomes for this and what are the possible outcomes. Now, a fraction is to be formed such that x is 1 by n, okay, the fraction, and n is any natural number between 1 to 100. 1 to 100 से 1 से लेके 100 तक basically 100 numbers होते हैं. Between them you don't take 100. So basically 98 numbers are remaining. Okay, so all possible outcomes are basically 98, as simple as that. Now the only challenge in this question is basically to find out the favorable outcomes. Okay, favorable कब होगा अपना आंसर? Whenever the fraction x will form a recurring decimal. Okay, so the whole idea here is to find out how will the fraction x form a recurring decimal. Okay, that is the main challenge in this question. Okay, so if you've realized this, now things become very, very easy here. Okay, you have to simply find out how many natural numbers exist between 1 to 100, okay, whose reciprocals form terminating decimals. Okay, this is the key towards solving this question. Okay, let's see how we do it. Okay, that's simply the powers of 2, 5 and both, okay, between 1 to 100. We'll see now in the upcoming table. Now let's say I take the number 2. Okay, 1 by 2 I know is 0.5, so it's a terminating decimal. Okay, you take 1 by 3, you'll get 0.33 recurring. You get 1 by 4, the answer is 0.25 terminating. Okay, you take 1 by 5 also, it's 0.2 terminating. But you take 1 by 6, it's 0.16 recurring. Okay, so yeah, it's not terminating. All right. So likewise, you can realize, okay, let's say if you take 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is 0.0625. Okay. So if you take 1 by 25 also, it's 0.04. So likewise, you take any power of 2 or 5 in the denominator, the fraction will always be a terminating decimal. Now you can guys also observe that combining powers of 2 and 5 also gives you the same thing. Okay, so we'll list them down now, powers of 2, powers and of 5, and combine them and check how many of such numbers are less than 100. Okay, ऐसे कितने combination बनती हैं और ऐसे कितने powers हैं 2 और 5 के which are less than 100. Okay, so let's check for powers of 2. Okay, 2 raised to 1 is basically 2. 2 square will be 4. 2 cube is 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 raised to 5 is 32. 2 raised to 6 is 64. 2 raised to 7 is 128. ये हमें नहीं चेक करना है. Why? Because it's more than 100. Okay, so यही सारे numbers होंगे. Okay, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 4, 5, 6. All these 6 numbers will be there. Okay. Again, if you talk about powers of 5, 5 raised to 1 होगा 5. 5 square होगा 25. 5 cube is basically 125. हमें चाहिए n का वैल्यू 100 से कम. Not possible. उसके आगे चेक भी नहीं करना है. 5 power 4 is 625, then 3125 likewise. No need to check. Okay. Now combining powers of 2 and 5. पहले हम simple 2 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1 combine कर लेते हैं. We get 10. Okay. 2 raised to 1 को मैं 5 square से combine कर लेता हूँ. 25 into 2 is 50. Okay. Now let's take 2 square into 5 raised to 1. 4 into 5 is 20. Now guys, you can't combine 2 square and 5 square. 4 into 25 is 100. 100 नहीं चाहिए हमें. 1 से 100 के बीच में पूछा है उसने, right? Okay. Next, you can combine 2 cube with 5 raised to 1. 2 cube is 8 into 5 is 40. ये चल जाएगा. Okay. But you can't combine 2 cube with 5 square. 2 cube with 5 square is 8 into 25. 200. नहीं चलेगा. Okay, can you compare? Can you combine 2 raised to 4? Yes, 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 1 will be 16 into 5, 80. Right? But इससे ज़्यादा I don't think you can take. If you take 2 raised to 5 now, 2 raised to 5 is 32 into 5 will cross 100. Right? So 160. Not possible. अब कितने numbers हुए देखो? 2 की powers हुई 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 powers of 2 as I said before. Okay, 2 powers of 5. Okay, and how many combined? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 of these combined. So 6 plus 5 is 11 and 2 is 13. There are 13 such possible numbers, right? Exactly 13 outcomes are favorable to us. So the probability required is 13 by 90. It's as simple as that. Okay. So after this, we'll just make a small note in the table that we have drawn. Okay. Wherever we have terminating fractions required, we must always check for powers of 2, powers of 5, or both combined. Okay, guys.